second. Eternal chaos comes with chocolate rain, you guys. Chocolate rain!
Nope.
According to an interview with Emmy Larson, the writer of the episode, the reference was unintentional. It's interesting how one of the most noticeable references was actually a complete accident. However, there are some intentional references in the episode. John Delancey, who voices Discord, is best known for playing Q in Star Trek. Discord was intentionally written like the character Q. Similarities include enjoying cruel games, using rhymes occasionally, and using powers at the snap of a finger.